Let's solve the first problem from Google Kickstart round G. So here we are given a string and we have to find number of substring which start with kick and end with start. So we have to find how many number of substrings are there in given string. So let's say we have a string size between, for small case it is up to 1000 and for it is 10 raised to 5. So one thing is clear, like for string has to be bigger than the length of 9 because kick has 4 letters and start at 5, so minimum length should be 9, otherwise answer is no. So let's understand these three example. So first of all, here we have two variable, one is count to count number of kick and answer is will print out. So whenever we find kick we increment count by 1 and we go through the string. Now we have start. Whenever we get start, we put all the value of count into answer. So answer equal to 1. And we keep going in the string. When we find kick, we increment counter by 1. So 1 plus 1. And we keep going. Whenever we find start, we get all the value of count into answer. So right now count equal to 2. So answer become 1 plus 2 equal to 3. So that is our approach. We count number of kicks and then increase. So when we have start, we put all the value of count into answer. So right now count equal to 0. So answer becomes 0. Then whenever we find kick, we increment count by 1. That's it. Now there is no start, so our answer equal to 0. Let's say third example. So for the third example, here it is, we start from left side. First we find kick, we increment counter by 1 and then we again found kick, so we increase by 1. Then we found start, so we put all the value of count into our answer. So answer equals to answer plus count, so answer become 2. And then we keep going and here we found another key, so increase count by 1. So now count equal to 3 and we found start, so we put all the value of count into answer. So answer equal to 2 plus count equal to 3. So now answer become 2 plus 3. So we get our answer equal to 5, means we found 5 substrings inside our string. So that is how we going to solve this question. To find out the substring, we use this STL function called substring, and here let's say we have given string as s1 equal to kick and s2 equal to start. So we use this function s dot substring start with index j and go up to the length of n. So j is simply from 0 up to the last point, n equal to the size of our substring. When we are finding kick, n equal to 4, and when we find a start, we use n equal to 5. So here we start has 5 characters and total 5 plus 4 9. It means we have at least 9 characters in our string, otherwise we say answer equal to 0, because that is like corner case here, because the string condition is given from 1 up to 10 raised to 5. So for a string length up to 1 to 8, our answer is 0. If you don't write this, then we get a wrong answer here. So we have to keep in mind the length of string. So that is the solution. Let's code the solution. Here we have to run a for loop for j equal to 0 up to j equal to size minus 4, because the last possible start could be at the last end, so we have to go up to size of our string minus 4. If we don't do that, then we get error, because we are accessing the string outside its original length. So this is our simple input of string, and let's start with, first we have int count equal to 0 to count number of key word in the string, and int answer equal to 0. Now all we have to do is we have to check that size is greater than or equal to 9. Then we do our calculation, otherwise answer is no. So let's say we have to run through a for loop and find out about, so let's if s dot substring, let's say we have to go through the for loop first. So we have to run for loop from starting of the string up to the size minus okay, I forgot to write as minus 4, and I have to go to 0. So we start a for loop and we keep checking if we have two simple conditions, that if s dot substring, which is start at index j and goes up to the length of 4, it equal s1, it means we found the key word. So it equal s1 equal to key, then we increment our counter. So let's say every time we found key, increment count. Else if here we have to find out about start over. So s dot substring, which start with index j, go up to the length of 5, is equal s2, as it is start. Then we have to put all the value of count into the answer. So answer equal to answer plus count. That's it. That is our solution. After this, we have to print out the value of answer here.